Hi, Melody Gilmore with the Realty Firm, and I'm here to show you my newest listing coming up at 42 Four Oaks Crescent, located in beautiful Westmount. This is a 4-level home, and it is a Sifton-built home, which is a great home. And you'll see as we're going through all the beautiful finishes. This one, it has hardwood flooring, and right now we're in the living room, which is a nice spacious living room. Flows into your dining room, which you'll see how big it is because we have a dining room table here and it's a good size and there's still lots of space. And nice bright windows. And the home was painted recently, it's just neutral colors. And coming into the kitchen, which is an eating kitchen. The kitchen was updated just a few years ago. And this house is an amazing location, which I'll tell you about in a moment. And right now we're just coming back out into the foyer, which you'll notice is cathedral ceiling, so it's nice and bright and airy. And yeah, I'm gonna give you a tour upstairs, so come on. Right now we're on the second level, and this level has the 4 bedrooms and a 4-piece bath. Right now this is the master bedroom, which is a very nice sized bedroom, has his and her closets, and also has an ensuite. Which is wonderful. And then coming out, we'll go into the first bedroom, which you'll notice that they're very nice sized bedrooms. And lots of room in here. Big closets, and this is one of my favorite features. And this is your linen closet, storage closet, which you don't see very often. So great for storage. And then we have the third bedroom, which again, they're all great size bedrooms. And so this house actually backs onto a park, which is wonderful because this park is the Westmount Park. Right now we're into the 4th bedroom, which is also a very big bedroom. And then here is the main bathroom, which is a 4-piece bathroom. It has a skylight in there, so it's nice and bright. And now I'll take you down to the other level. Now this is the family room. It's just right off the kitchen, a couple steps down. And it has a new fireplace insert, built-in cupboards around the fireplace. And it also leads out to the backyard, which is a great backyard. And this is a nice big room for the kids to be in. You can be cooking in the kitchen. And it also leads over to here, where there's a 2-piece bath. And then also a little closet area. And then right here it goes out to the garage. And now I'm gonna take you down to the lower level. And now we're down on the lower level in the basement. And this level is a great room. It's a place for the kids to come down and play in. And it's all set up for the kids to play. And it's such a big room, it's also set up at the other end as an office that they use. So the other nice thing about this lower level is the laundry room is right here and has huge storage area. And then your furnace room is over on your right side. And now I'm gonna take you upstairs and we'll take you outside and show you the backyard. And out here we're in this gorgeous backyard, which has this beautiful deck. It has a gazebo, which is great, especially in these warm days that we're having right now. And in this yard, you have grapevines that actually have grapes. You have a trampoline for the kids to play on. And there's a pear tree, an apple tree, and there's a gate that goes out into the Westmount Park, which takes you over to the Sherwood Fox School, to the pool, and this way it'll take you over to the Jesse Davidson Park. So amazing location. And then you have a play set out here. So This is a great home. And if you have any questions, please give me a call. It's Buy and Sell with Mel. Have a great day. Bye.